Question 7. To promote making of toilets for women, an organization tried to generate awareness through house calls, letters, and announcements. The cost for each mode per attempt is given below as rupees 50, 20, and rupees 40. The number of attempts made in 3 villages XYZ are as follows. We need to find the total cost incurred by organization for 3 villages separately using matrices and write one value. So the first matrix is matrix A, for example, which tells us the number of attempts. The second matrix is matrix B, which tells us the cost per attempt. Now to find out funds raised, we need to multiply the number of attempts made by multiplied by the cost of each attempt, which can be given as matrix C. So this is a 3 cross 3 matrix. This is a 3 cross 1 matrix, which when multiplied will give a 3 cross 1 matrix. So 400 multiplied by 50 plus 300 into 20 plus 100, 40 will give us 30,000, which is the cost incurred by village A. And solving similarly we get for the village B, and similarly we get for village C. Values are women welfare along with women equality and being responsible towards the society. Thank you.